is the 2011 Triple Threads box break number 1. The serial number. Alright, good luck everyone. Alright, got the first mini box open, or gonna get it open. Alright, we got Kansas City Chiefs quarterback Matt Castle. Card number 868 out of 999. Got Eli Manning, quarterback of the Super Bowl winning Giants. Card number 645 out of 999. We got Phillip Rivers, quarterback Chargers. Card number 86 out of 300. We got Tony Gonzalez, jersey card, numbered 28 out of 36. And we got Bilal Powell, running back, New York Jets, jersey autograph. Card number 62 out of 75. And we got Aaron Rodgers from the Packers, card 18 out of 99. And we have Peyton Manning, Colts, card number 15 out of 999. That's it for the first mini box. And the second pack. We got Calvin Johnson, receiver for the Detroit Lions, card number 19 out of 999. We have Michael Vick, quarterback of the Eagles, card number 545 out of 999. We got Joe Montana, quarterback of the 49ers, card 238 out of 300. We got Alex Green, running back for the Packers, autograph card, jersey card 33 out of 99. And we have Jim Plunkett, quarterback of the Raiders, card 19 out of 27. LaDainian Tomlinson, Jets, card 30 out of 99. And last we have Peyton Manning, card number 90 out of 999.